In this video, I'll show you how to fix the theme missing style.css file error. So if you're trying to upload a theme from your computer and you are facing this package could not be installed, the theme is missing the style.css style sheet error, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily solve this problem. The first solution is make sure the theme has the style or CSS file. So go to your file explorer and then just find out the theme, and as you can see, this is a zip file. I'm going to double clicking on it to open the file and going to assets, going to CSS folder. As you can see, currently this theme doesn't have any CSS files. So also, if your theme doesn't have style.css files, all you have to need, go ahead and reinstall the theme from your browser. So I'm going to opening Wordpress org theme and going to theme directory, and now from here you can easily go ahead and again download the theme file. Once you successfully download it, make sure the theme has style.css and then go ahead and try to re-upload the theme and check the problem. And after following the solution, if you're still having the same error, then you have to upload the theme from your cPanel. So go to your cPanel and from your cPanel open file manager, and then you have to go to your website directory. So I've installed my website in public HTML, and then go to wp-content folder. Here open themes folder, and now in this theme folder you have to upload your theme. So click on upload and click on select file, and now go ahead and select your theme file and just open the file here. And once the theme file successfully uploaded, click on go back, and now here reload this page, and now you have to extract the theme file. So select the file and just click on extract, click on extract files. Once the file extracted, now go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, click on themes, and now here you should see the theme you just uploaded. Now all you have to need, just activate the theme from here, and after that, hope the error will be fixed now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.